Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Nissan Murano 2003 to 2007? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the Nissan Murano 2003 to 2007, the passenger compartment fuse box protects a wide range of body, comfort, and safety circuits, including power windows, sunroof, rear window defogger, remote keyless entry and alarm system, interior lighting, instrument panel electronics, and various lamps, head, tail, fog, turn signals. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box number 1, Type 1, in the Nissan Murano 2003 to 2007 protects circuits for the front fog lamp relay, headlamps, fuel pump relay, engine control relay, front wiper and washer relays, rear window defogger relay, and systems like AWD or vehicle stability. The engine compartment fuse box number 1, Type 2, in the Nissan Murano 2003 to 2007 protects circuits for exterior lighting, parking lamps, tail lamps, license plate lights, low and high beams, daytime running lights, as well as key systems such as the fuel pump relay, ECM power supply including anti-theft, front wipers or washers, rear window defogger, and four-wheel drive or ABS control. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.